guys, I have Twilight Garden wax. I was on a no buy, but by the time her restock came, I just had to have. Who was I lying to? I was gonna get some of her restock. Anyway, so let's see what's inside. All right, looks like she hooked me up with gummies. Look at this. She love me. She love me. She love me. This is my favorite. Girl, I didn't know you were gonna give me a whole big regular. I thought I was gonna get these. Delicious. My favorite. All right, so let's get to the really good stuff, which is the actual wax. Some more seeds. All right. Her card. How to take care of your waxes. Her thank you card. Thanking me on the inside. And inside that card was also my invoices. I actually placed 2 orders because when she actually does her releases, they sell out so quickly that I have to make sure I hit that buy button ASAP. Otherwise, I may lose out on product. I got cart jacked a couple times. And so I wasn't really done placing my order, but I still hit the save button. I'm sorry, the place order button because I wanted to make sure I got everything that I had already put in my cart. And then the next day I placed a separate order for whatever was left. All right, so let's see what we have here. First we have Tiki Bar. I had to have these because they were little tikis and they're gonna make cute little wax videos. I love that she puts the dates on here. I think I've mentioned that ad nauseum. All right, this one is Tiki Bar, a fruity blend of tropical fruit, citrus, lemon, lime, and mountain greens. Then, as usual, she just includes a bunch of samples. What shape is this? It's like, what is that? I can't. Oh, it's a little unicorn. Tiny unicorn. Beach Dreams. This is a tiki sample. Okay. We have Marshmallow Noel Snuggles. This little dog shape is so cute. I just love this little dog shape. All right, we have some more tikis. This one is Coconut Falls, buttery, creamy coconut, tropical flowers, and cedarwood. Oh, she sent me some Fruit Loop spoons. I didn't order them because I thought they might break, and they didn't. Excellent. Thank you. I had to get her last package of Golden Celebration. These are literally like one of my favorite sets that she has of all time. Probably of any vendor that I've ever had. I love these little things, and I think this was the last bit she had, and she's probably not going to make these again. But I love these. Maybe she'll make them at Christmas time. I don't know, but these are just like my fave. If she makes them again, I'm getting them again. We have some more tikis. Beach Dreams, a blend of sea mist, lavender, and beechwood. Some more tikis. This is Paradise Beach. Blend of starfruit, frangipani, water lily, coconut, and musk. We have Sweet on Paris, sweet blackberry, bright lemon, and buttery vanilla. That's just going to smell awesome. We have the Sultan, which is the Twilight Garden wax dupes of Lush. And this is beautiful blends of fruits, florals, and musk and ginger. Very cute shape there. So white. And another dupe. Beautiful blend of orange, citrus, apple, rose, bergamot, and neroli. I bet it's just so white. Very pretty. Next we have another dupe, Northern Lights, beautiful blend of pine, cypress, lemon, lime, and musk. Look how cute. I couldn't wait for this package to come in. I was watching everybody else get their packages. What? I don't have mine yet. Serenity Bay, a fresh blend of coconut, eucalyptus, jasmine, carnation, vetiver, driftwood, seaweed, sea salts, and beach foliage. Look how pretty that is. Got 2 different butterfly shapes there. Cotton candy, it just looked like it was going to smell delicious. Sweet, fluffy scent of delicious spun sugar. spring clouds, jasmine, honeysuckle, rose, citrus, lily, bergamot, geranium, violet, and woods. Another pretty one. Rustic barn wedding. I had a sample of this and it was just amazing. So I got the actual wax. This looks just like the rose jam one, except it's a different scent. Cedar wood, patchouli, amber, wet soil, minerals, mushroom moss, pink peonies, and musk. Next we have jam and rose. So I said it looks just like the other one, so let's take a peek at them together. I'm always going to get jam and rose. So these are the two different ones. Very, very similar. One is just rose jam dupe from Lush. What do we have here? Breakfast in bed. This is one of the ones I think I placed the order for separately. Look how pretty. It's going to make a gorgeous smell. Oh, that smells delicious. Then we had pink sugar clothespins. Oh, is this a scoopable? I didn't order a scoopable, so this must be like a sample. Cute. And then we have over the rainbow, if I can hold it up so you guys can see it. Sherbet blend of lime, pineapple, orange, raspberry, and vanilla. Literally got this for the shape. Then we have Fruity Pebbles, because I love cereal blends. And so, yeah, and it's just a beautiful melt with the different colors in there. And it's like a sample here of the squeezable wax Oktoberfest. How cute is it? It's a little guy. Thank you. Then we have the Sultan, which is one of the other dupes. Look how cute. Wish it would focus. There we go. Very cute. And finally, I believe that's finally, yes, finally, we have the blueberry cobbler. It was just super cute. I do love me some blueberry scented stuff. I don't eat blueberries, but I do like the blueberry scented stuff. So, fresh blueberries topped with crisp and crumbly cobbler topping. So I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm not going to do the normal why unpackage and let you guys see it and get a closer look. But you guys can see through the package. There's the tiki. Here are the butterflies. The rose jam. The jam and rose. The rustic barn. The Sultan. Guess I got two of those. Paradise Beach, which is another tiki. The Fruit Loops spoons. I love, love, love that scent. Cotton candy. Northern Lights. Oops, drop of stuff. So white. My favorite. Golden Celebration. Another tiki. Coconut Falls. Marshmallow Noel Snuggles. Sweet on Paris. Beach Dreams. Gosh, I didn't realize I have so much. Spring Clouds. Another Beach Dreams. And the final sample, Over the Rainbow. It's a little unicorn. Super cute. Alright guys, that's it for Twilight Garden Wax. I'm about to get off of this video so that, that's hilarious, so I can eat some of this candy. What's hilarious is that says share size, and I ain't sharing. Alright guys, that's it for Twilight Garden Wax. I will talk to you guys on the next one.